Okay, question 6. As Dr. Hayes and Dr. Malaska mentioned, there are many lakes on Titan. In this unit, we're going to focus on one particular mysterious lake made primarily of methane. So, we have, let me go ahead and make this bigger. We have a letter. This is to you as student chemists from Dr. Daniela Flores, lead chemist at the Universal Space Agency. Dear student chemists, scientists at the Universal Space Agency are investigating what happened to one of the methane lakes on Titan. The following slides depict the same location at two different times. As you will see, the location looks very different in the two pictures. As student chemists, we ask for your help in determining what happened to the missing lake. Thanks, Dr. Flores. All right, to question 7. What happened to the lake? In 2007, scientists noticed a dark area in the photos from a probe. The area outlined in blue is a liquid lake. It is darker than the surrounding areas. It's a liquid lake. 2 years later, the area outlined in blue is now much lighter. So 2009, it is no longer distinguishable from the surroundings. What happened to the lake? So for question 7, you should say something along the lines of like, it disappeared, it went away, it became the same color as the surroundings. So question 8 is our chapter 1 question. What happened to the liquid in Titan's Lake? Copy this down for question 8. Scientists know the lake was there in 2007 because it was a different color than the surrounding area. What do you think happened to this lake? Question 9. All right, there are two claims. Claim number 1, the lake froze and became solid methane. Claim 2, the lake evaporated, exposing the bottom part of the undersurface. So write down these two claims for question 10. All right, in this unit, you will use your understanding of the chemistry to explain what happened to the lake on Titan. As we read in the message, the two claims for what happened to the lake are both examples of phase changes. This term, phase change, that is what our whole unit is called. The methane in the lake either evaporated or froze. So, our investigation question will help us figure out if the methane lake froze or evaporated. Our investigation question asks, how does the appearance of a substance change when it changes phase? So when it goes from a solid to a liquid, or a liquid to a gas, or in reverse, a gas to a liquid, or a liquid to a solid. How does the appearance change when it changes phase? We cannot directly study phase changes on Titan. It is way too far away. Instead, we will study videos of phase changes on Earth to help us understand what is happening on Titan. So we're going to have 4 videos, I believe. These are all short. So with this cup, we see droplets starting to form on the handle. There was no liquid on the outside before, but now there is. Come on, go to the next one. Nope. All right, here we have a puddle in the desert. The liquid is slowly disappearing. And this is a time lapse, so it's sped up. And now we no longer have liquid. Here we have a popsicle, solid and frozen. Over time, it turns into a liquid. So it's changing. Its appearance is different from what it was before. And I think our last video, we've got some trees. And you see ice crystals are forming on those trees from freezing rain. So question 12, describe the change that happened in each of these videos. If you need to, you can rewind or watch them again, or just answer them using these pictures as refreshers.